Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Message app. After you open up your Google Message app, then it's going to after you open up your Google Message app, it's going to load up like so. And for you to have access and use Google Gemini AI, what you need to do is to click on this icon right here. Click on that. It's going to load up to the interface like this. So if you are doing it for the first time, you may not see some of this right here. But if you have been doing it for a very long time, you should be able to see your previous stats right here. Now, how are you going to use this Google Gemini AI in your chat in Google Message right here? So we can simply click on RCS messages right here. Mind you, you need to make sure you activate RCS messages before you can actually use Google Gemini AI successful with your Google message right here. After you have activated your RC message, then you are good to go. So right here, I can ask Google Gemini AI that can you please write an appreciation message for a successful ceremony. Okay, so I'm going to click on send. So let's wait for the response from Gemini AI. You can see Gemini AI is writing, and in a few seconds we have the draft right here. So we have about 4 different options. The formal thank you for guest and general announcement. Thank you all for being part of our this. Your presence and generous blessing made the occasion truly memorable. Are overwhelmed by the love and support shown to our family. We look forward to sharing many more joyful stories. So Gemini AI was able to give us about 4 different options right here. Now, one great thing here is that we can go ahead and add more questions as far as this is concerned. We can say, can you please make above message in Chinese language? So let's see. Incredibly. So you can see Google Gemini AI was able to translate it into Chinese character right here. You can go on and chat with your Google Gemini AI right from your Google Message app right here. We can also make use of images, and for that, what we want to do is to click on here. So we can use images or we can use videos right here. So here, I'm going to simply select this particular screenshot right here. Then I will write a caption. Can you please extract text from these images from this image? Let's say. Now let's see the response. You can see Google Gemini is writing, and let's have the results. In a few seconds, Google Gemini was able to extract every information we have from this particular screenshot right here. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Gemini AI with your Google Message app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.